An easy way to find your computer's serial number or SNID is by using the new AcerSense application. Just click on the Start button, type AcerSense, and click on AcerSense in the search results. Once the application opens, click on the headset icon in the upper right corner of the app, which will take you to the Account and Support screen. It's here that you'll find info about your device, including the model, and to the right of it, the serial number and SNID. You can click the icon next to one to copy it to your clipboard. If you need help with your computer, just make sure that your country is selected under Contact Us, and then click the search icon to the right of it, and you'll be brought to the Acer support site. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.